My name is Harnoor from BE Software Engineering. Here is my circuit for the smart lighting system. The push button is connected to D3, the porch light is connected to D16, and the hallway LED to D17. With the resistors, which are used to limit the LED current, all the components they share a common ground. When the button is pressed, both the lights are activated. So this is the code for task 1.1p smart lights for Linda. So in the first three lines, we have declared and initialized the LED pins. The porch LED is connected to 16th pin, hallway to the 17th pin, and button to 3rd pin. Then we have initialized the times for the porch and the hallway LEDs, which are here they are initialized to 0 and later on they are initialized to the time that we need. Then the void setup is a method. It runs only once. After that, Dino is connected. And the very first line of void setup, we have set the border to 9600 so that we can get the access to the serial monitor. Then we have set the pin modes, that which are the outputs and which are the inputs. The button is set to input pull up, which means that the default state of the button, it stays as high. Otherwise, when the button is pressed, it stays low. Then we have the digital right, that is when the porch pin has to stay low and the hallway pin has to stay low. Then we have the void loop. Here the three main functions where the modular programming is adopted is used. The read button, it reads the state of the button, that if the button is low, that is it has not been pushed yet. The times are initialized, that is 300 and 600. Then we have the update timer. The update timer is that we reduce the timer by 1 second at each iteration. And then we have the update LEDs. Update LEDs tells the state of the light, that when it has to shut down or when it has to glow. So this is what it does. And this in this entire program, we have used modular programming so that these functions and the methods, they can be reused again and again.